60-second water heater inspection starts now. Okay, great. Looks like it's a new one. It's about a year and a half old. Fantastic. What's the first thing I notice? It does have a sediment trap. Yay. It does have an expansion tank. Yay. It does have a TPR discharge tube. However, it does not go to the exterior wall over there. It does have seismic strapping. Yay. But it is incorrect. There's no blocking behind here to stop this from rocking back and forth. On the bottom either, they didn't put it in. And then they install the exhaust vent pipe the wrong way. This top pipe should be going over the small pipe. And they left the transite pipe up in the ceiling because they're lazy. And I also noticed this right here. They got the copper pipe touching the galvanized strap. That's gonna cause electrolysis on this pipe right here. I said it before, I'll say it again. Get your home inspected. There you go, 60 seconds.